Hi guys, table's in a bit of a mess at the moment because I'm doing lots of things at the same time as usual. Charity shop bag, solar panel project over there, electric cars over that way. What I'm going to do at this moment is just give you a quick update on the Papier Mache Wind Mill for BattyBowman. I showed you the other day that I just pulled this metal mesh chicken wire out of the shed to get started. What I've been looking at, well, last night actually, was what options we've got for powering it. We want an electric motor to drive a shaft or something up the middle here to then turn the blades, or whatever we call them. And by complete coincidence, just looking through the junk file, I found this. That's the remains of a toy train, which works. It's nicely geared down because it's only supposed to go slowly anyway. But what I did notice, if I can get that out again, is on the outside of the wheels it's got gears which I expect are supposed to link up to the track that it's supposed to go on. But those gears, the teeth on them, just happen to be the right mesh. If I can hold it together. For these gears, well, that on-off switch doesn't seem to work, but that's not a big issue. Yeah, for these gears that came in this box, Meccano box, that cost me, well, I can't remember now, that hasn't got the price on it. I think it's something like 50p or £1.50, something like that, because it's not a complete kit. It's just odd bits and pieces. And that's some Connects stuff that I got from a different charity shop purchase. So it's just random bits that I've got together. But as I say, that gear works on there. I've got another one. I've got some ordinary pinion gears, I think we could call them. So I think I've got enough bits and pieces there that we can have this at the top somewhere, something like that. Then a shaft going right up the middle, and then another one, another gear at the bottom being driven by this toy. Because it's only going to be turning the sails, aren't they? Paddles, sails, blades. Slowly, that's all I want it to do. So that's what my plan is. I'm going to use this somehow or other mounted at the bottom. I'm going to have to modify the on-off switch because that thing's no good. So I'll probably put an external battery on it that we can have a separate switch on. And then just have that turning the sails. And then eventually get round to covering this in papier mâche, which was the original request. A Papier Mache Wind Mill. So that's update number 2. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.